everyone, welcome to askIITians. This is Harisshwar Reddy. I am from IIT Roorkee. I have been associated with askIITians for the past few years as in-house expert in chemistry. So in this part, I will be discussing about amines. One of the important topic for the competitive examinations like your CBSE, your IIT-JEE, AIPMT and other competitive examinations like BITSAT. So I will be discussing about all the concepts related to the structure, related to the physical properties, related to the preparation techniques, related to the chemical properties of the amines. So let's start with the first part, the topics covered in the topic of amines. Amines. What are the different topics covered in this topic of amines? So the different topics covered in this chapter of amines are, first I will be introducing amines. What are amines? What are the different concepts related to the structure of amines? What are the different concepts related to the chirality of amines? So I will be discussing mainly about the whole structure of amines. Next, preparation techniques. So in this part of the preparation techniques, basically I will be discussing about how can you generally prepare your amines. How can you prepare your amine from your alcohols and from other organic compounds. So in this preparation techniques, mainly we will be concentrating on the different techniques with the help of which you can prepare a given amine. Next, physical properties. Amines have different properties based on the structures. So these are combined under the physical properties. So basically in the physical properties, I will be discussing about the solubility of amines, the boiling point of amines and some other important concepts. Next, chemical properties. So in chemical properties, basically I will be focusing on the concepts related to your reactions of amine. How a given 1 degree amine can react, given 2 degree amine can react, given 3 degree amine can react. And last, I will be discussing about previous JEE questions. I will be discussing about some of the important previous JEE questions related to your amines. So guys, these are the different topics covered in the topic of amines, right? So we got a glance about what is exactly to be discussed in amines, right? So in the next part, I'll be starting with the introduction of amines. So in which I'll be discussing basically about the structure of amines, right? So until then, stay tuned to our sessions. Take care. Goodbye.